Hi guys! Thank you for choosing this video. My name is Joy and today I will be instructing you through a 10-minute warm-up before workout. We're going to go ahead and get in this half kneeling position and we're going to begin with arm extensions with a twist. You're going to extend both arms and twist to your left or right side. Start with your palms from the center of your abdomen and then extend your arms. And exhale on the extension. When you bring your arms in, inhale. This is one of my favorite movements just because it really focuses on total mobility of the upper body, including the shoulder blades and the back. We want to make sure that part of our body is completely prepared for our workout. And now the opposite side, same movement. Extend with the twist. Amazing. Now we're going to be in a kneeling position and we're going to extend our arms beside us. We're going to take our right palm up and our left palm down and we're going to rotate the directions our palms are facing. This will actually give a lot of preparation to our rotator cuffs. When we're doing any shoulder mobility movements, we want to make sure that our rotator cuffs are getting the proper preparation because they're so important to upper body mobility, and this actually can prevent injury while exercising or being active. So even though it's a very simple movement, it is very powerful and effective. Alright, we're going to prepare for Indian push-ups, which are upward facing dog into downward facing dog. We're going to inhale on upward facing dog and we will exhale on downward dog. During this movement, it does engage the core muscles along with the upper body. I would like you to still tighten that core. We want to get that core ready and prepared, bringing that fire to our belly with this light movement. This movement is a narrow squat. So we're going to have our legs together a little bit closer in than shoulder width. And we're just going to come all the way down, balancing on our heels, pushing the pressure through our heels as we come up. I chose narrow squats for this warm-up instead of wide squats just because of the effect that a narrow squat has on the ankles. The ankles can prevent the rest of your joints, including your hips and your knees, from additional shock as we are being athletic. So that strong, that stable ankle is so important to the body's overall balance and mobility. Now we are going to do a low lunge with a twist. So we're twisting here. We're going to come up and stabilize. Low lunge, twist, and stabilize. We're going to inhale as we stabilize and exhale as we twist with the lunge. And the other leg now. We're gonna lunge, exhale, twist, come up and stabilize. Lunge and twist, stabilize, exhale with your twist, inhale as you stabilize. Very good. Alright, you guys, we're gonna get ready for some hip mobility. Shin boxes are my favorite hip mobility movement. We're just gonna make sure we have our front knee in 90 degrees and then our back leg also 90 degrees, and we're just gonna rotate. Using our palms behind us for support, we're gonna rotate to our left and right side. Make sure as you turn to each side, you have a straight spine.
Every day I try to pay attention to the lessons. Nature is reflected, roots are reconnected when you look inside yourself, and the truth will be revealed with any hand that is dealt. Now can't you see what you see?
We're gonna make sure we release any pressure or any extra tightness on our hips. Our hips are so important to our overall mobility. Awesome, you guys. We finished. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you with love and with peace. Have a wonderful rest of your day and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Strike with ambition, cruising down the road like bikes and transmissions. Lyrics that I write up for fans, I really listen. This is real hip hop, and I hit it with precision. Yeah, life is a blessing. Every day I try to pay attention to the lessons. Nature is reflecting. Life is a blessing. Now, verse 2, gotta take you out your element. No fights tonight, that's all irrelevant. You know that nature's got your soul's greatest benefits, and so I'm digging deep, deep in the sediment. Yeah, it's heaven sent, yeah, it's all good. We all got that inner being, got that Buddhahood. If you don't know this by now, then yeah, you probably should. It's the benefit for others, and for that I wish you would. But still, I gotta move on. When I head up out the hills, I gotta stay strong. Cause living in the city, there's so much they prey on. Everybody wants to live like the modern.